In this video, we're going to look at encrypting files, and also we're going to look at a little bit about allowing certain users permissions to view certain files or folders. Okay, we're going to do all this on your actual Windows system. So let me switch over my screen so that you can see my computer. So first I'm going to go into Windows Explorer. I'm going to go to my drive, C Shaw. And we're going to look at this sample folder that I've created. You can do this as far as encrypting files and showing different, allowing permissions or denying permissions for folders and for actual individual files. So first we're going to do this actual folder. So we're going to right click and click Properties. Okay, first we're going to look a little bit at security. Okay, in security, if we click on the tab, we can click on the Edit button. And it shows our actual users that have accessibility to this folder. We can click on Add to add new ones. We're not going to add new ones, but know that there is that option if you want to try to add somebody. And then down here at the bottom, you can actually determine which user, group of users, whatever, has what type of control over your files. For instance, the first one is full control. We can set it up to where Chris Shaw, which is me, has full control, or we could set it up to where he is denied control. Okay, you could actually set it up to where, you know, the creator owner in this case only cannot read the folders. Okay, they can't read it. You can set it up to where all they can do is write. Okay, so there's a lot of different things that you can do with users, and a lot of different things that you can do just by editing the security on the actual folder. Okay, so if we wanted to actually encrypt the files, we just go back to our General tab, then we click on Advanced, and then this box is what allows us to actually encrypt the folders. The button at the very bottom, the little check box, if we check that, it'll allow us to actually encrypt the contents to secure data. Why would you want to secure data? Well, maybe you have something in there that is available but doesn't need to be seen by everybody, such as confidential information. Okay, what if you're a person that is in charge of payroll and you have access to confidential information such as social security numbers, bank accounts, whatever? You don't want everybody to be able to view those. Okay, so you can actually encrypt files to where only people with the right credentials can use it. So we click OK, and you would have to click Apply. And after you click Apply, you would actually click to confirm that you want to apply the changes. We're not going to click OK because we actually don't have the rights to do this on this computer, so it's just going to give us an error and won't let us do it. But basically, when you click OK, your folder would now be encrypted so that only you or somebody that has the proper credentials could access that folder. Okay. You can also do it with a file. Here's just a picture file. Show you, it's one of my son and one of our family dogs when he was little. Okay, you can actually do the same thing. You right click and click Properties. You can go into Advanced and encrypt those files just the same, as well as security. You can control who has permission to see this file. You can control who does not have permission. Okay, so this is just again, tip of the iceberg as far as security is concerned, but it's a good way to secure different files, different folders that you only want certain people to have access to.